Hi everyone, do you know about the BSW130 sliding window? Are you curious about what features it possesses? Today we will analyze in detail from three aspects: design, sealing and security, and bring you a deeper understanding of BSW130 sliding window. First, let's look at the design features of the BSW130 sliding window. This window is made from virgin 6063 T5 aluminum alloy, which provides excellent strength and corrosion resistance for a long service life. It is also designed with a 6-channel track system, standard with stainless steel lower track, and multi-wheel load bearing. Super quiet while pushing and pulling more conveniently. And a double-point hidden push-pull lock with a plate button puller anti-slip design for smoother opening. BSW130 sliding window adopts a multi-stage sealing process with multiple furring strips, plus adhesive strips, which greatly improves the sealing performance of the window. This design can effectively isolate outside noise and dust, keeping the room clean and quiet. In terms of security, the BSW130 sliding window is equipped with an anti-wind and anti-swing system to provide extra security. What's more, this window is equipped with an auto-lock with child lock function for added safety. Overall, the BSW130 sliding window can be an ideal choice for your window installation, with its quality materials, excellent design and high security, all of which will bring convenience and comfort to your life. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or needs about sliding windows, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more relevant content. See you in the next installment.